welcome back to my channel. It's Rookie Fame here again, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my wigs. So my client gave me this hair to get done, and I'm done with it. It's a deep wave weave and it was really dirty, so I did laundry on that. I wigged it and I'm going to style it now for you guys to see. I won't be cutting out the lace because I want to cut it on her head so I could get her hairline and around her ears. So let's jump right into this video. So guys, this is the lace frontal. It hasn't been plucked, and here I am plucking it just like so. And then I bleached the knots. This is not compulsory. You could just always use your powder or foundation, but I bleached the knot, and here I am washing it off. And then I got my cap ready. This is a mesh dome cap, and here I am sewing it down to the cap, sewing the frontal down to the cap. Can you see how swiftly and neatly I get my stitches done? So I'm done sewing the frontal to the cap, and now the weave. This is it. Sew that down. Very much secured. So I did not double the weft, I singled it out all through, and my spacing is just right. And here I am all done making the wig. Look at how neat it is from the inside. And then I'm just going to cut out the excess cap just like this. You gotta be careful while cutting it off because you don't want to cut the lace or the thread. Now I'm going to try it on for you guys to see. So this is me about to wash this wig because it is dirty, you would see. So I'll just get this wet first of all, and once it's wet I'll put in the shampoo and wash for the first time. Just keep washing like this, don't be too hard. After washing, rinse off. Gently wash it. And then for the second time, I'm going to add another shampoo and wash again. So after washing and squeezing out the water, I'll now add my conditioner. And guys, you have to be generous with your conditioner. Don't be stingy with it. Add as much as you want to. There's no such thing as using too much conditioner on your hair. So I'll just condition this, get it all through the hair, and let it be for say 5 minutes, and then I'll brush the hair so I'll be able to detangle whatever is tangled and just comb through the frontal. Look at that, skin like. So the conditioner is setting in. I'm deep conditioning this obviously. So after combing, I left for another 5 minutes and then I rinsed off. You see the way I'm doing it? That is how you rinse off the conditioner from your wig, your deep wave. So I'm now done washing the wig, and the next thing I'm going to do is squeeze off the water and air dry this. I would not be using a blow dryer or anything really hot. I would air dry it and then style it. So I'm going to be taking this off. And this is our baby. So this is like a perfect fit, and it's perfect if you want to do a hair like, it's perfect if you want to do a glueless frontal. If you want to do that, this is perfect. So this is washed. You'll see the video where I haven't washed it. Now I have washed it. Can you see how neat it looks? So I'm going to style it now. I'm going to do a part. Should I do a side or a center? Let me do a center. It's always good to start with a center, then your client can just, you know, take it to what she wants if she doesn't want a center part. But I love center parts. I feel like it works with my face or everybody's face. So I have pre-plucked this, so I won't be plucking it here because I've already done that. So this is going to clean my makeup, but it's cool, anything for you guys. I won't be cutting the front of this hair in the name of baby hair. I can't even see what I'm doing. Like when I want to part, I always use like a small, really thin comb. But I don't have it here with me. All of my tools are not in this city with me. I'm in my village right now. Yes, I'm in my village. I'm from Port Harcourt, people. So I'm here, but I live in Lagos. So all of my stuff out there. God, I don't even know what I'm doing. Can I get this thing right? Fuck. I beg. You go there like this. There's like a lot of trees here. That's why you hear the birds. So the next thing I'll be doing is using this. Okay, this is Beautiful Textures Curl Definer Mousse. Yeah, I'll be using this to just, you know, define the curls or waves or whatever. This hair is less than 200 grams. Okay, maybe it's 200 grams, but it's not 300 grams. And usually when I make wigs, I love to work with 300 grams so I can, you know, get to do it the way I like to do it. But when I'm working with 200 grams, I love to double my left. When I'm working with 200, I usually single some parts out. I'm a sucker for full hair. I don't like scanty hair. I don't. Forgive all these bird sounds you hear. It's not my fault. I can't send them away. My window is open, so. Now for the top, I'll be using Cream of Nature Argan Oil Styling Foaming Mousse. A little bit forward. Then secondly, I'll be using my hot comb. This is the hot comb that you can regulate. And make sure it's not too hot because you burn the lace. So this is basically how I do it. Just flatten the top. Like I said, sorry that I'm looking here on Rubik's. This is where my mirror is. So that is why. How plucked this is. Just tie so it can, you know, be more laid and steady. And yeah, guys, I'll then use my powder and just apply around here, the pattern, so it could be more human-like, human scalp-like. And yeah, this is vitamin E oil. I'll just put this here to give me that extra shine. So guys, this is the final look of my client's wig, and of course I wish I could cut out the lace for you guys to see, but I can't do that right now because my head and her head not the same size, so I don't want to be cutting it and not getting her hairline and around her ear, like ear to ear has to be. And she has a granite head. Sorry customer, she's also a friend, so it's cool. So this is it, guys. This is how I style my deep wave frontal. And how to maintain your deep wave hairs. If you feel like you want to comb, make sure it is wet, like this. You don't want to be combing this when it's not totally wet, but at least damp like this. You have to do it when you have product on the hair.